Welcome back to our channel. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Myron.
And we live in a camper van and we're travelling around Europe, filming our adventures along the way. And today we're in Cluj-Napoca in Romania. This cute little place, and you can probably see behind me the decor is so cool. They've got like so many different types of hot chocolate, so we just ordered some hot chocolates, and they don't really have breakfasty food. But we got some food anyway, and we're gonna have that before we go on our walking tour. So our hot chocolates just arrived. Myron's one, I think, was called Banana Dream, and mine was M&M's. So we'll see what's in them.
I think you can see some M&M's in it.
Yum.
It's a lot of cream to get there, and it's really sweet, but it's so good.
Hot chocolate's so thick. And it's got M&M's in it, different types of things, like plain and peanut. It's like chocolate sauce and melted chocolate. So behind me is the church, and if you look closely in the wall you can see there's actually a cannonball stuck in it. There are two cannonballs stuck in this church, and it's from when the Ottomans fired on the city in 1603. Another fun fact about the Ottomans and their attack on Romania in this area is that the Romanians took the steel from one of the cannons that the Ottomans had and melted it down and made the Royal Crown of Romania. So to this day, the Royal Crown of Romania is made of steel, not gold like most royal crowns would be. The church took over 100 years to build, so over that time the population of the city grew, so they needed a bigger and bigger church. So if you look at the side, things are a little bit wonky and not quite centered, like the door to window aren't quite in the middle, and that's because as they made the church bigger, plans changed, but they'd already have a window in here or a door in there, so it looks a bit lopsided in some places. There's also some asymmetry at the front of the church, and that's where the door isn't quite in the middle, because as they were building the church, the city was struck by an earthquake, and the money had to go on rebuilding the parts of the church that were already built. So there were originally supposed to be two towers, but they scrapped that and made one, so the door didn't end up being quite in the middle. This house is kind of funny looking. If you look closely, it's not very symmetrical, and that's actually because it's made up of three houses. So one of the kings of Hungary was actually born in the middle house, and as a thank you to the family who lived there, he said this house would never have to pay taxes. The neighbours on either side of this house wanted in on this tax-free life, so they all joined together and made one big house, and then the three families didn't have to pay taxes anymore.
So I've come to a Romanian restaurant called Rata for lunch. The tour guide recommended it and it had great reviews online. So the waitress gave us some traditional drinks to try on the house, so we'll give them a try. Gin or vodka. Just got that straight alcohol taste. I don't drink alcohol very often. There's also a red one. It smells like cherry. It's very nice. Not quite as strong, but the cherry tasting very nice. Sorry, it's a bit on fire though.
You have to drink your lemonade.
Yeah. And this cute little jug.
So our lunch just arrived.
We got chicken schnitzel, we got some golden fries, Hannah got a vegetable soup, summer salad, some bread. Looks very yummy.
Excited to eat it.
Very crispy. Very nice. Very nice crumb mixture on top. Nice and crunchy, not too dry. So we've come to Central Park to go for a walk.
to the van. We've had a really nice time exploring Cluj. It's a really cute city. It was really interesting on our walking tour because originally the Daci people lived here, which are the original ancestors of Romanians, and then it was taken over by Romans and then Hungarians and Austrians, and there were like a lot of Ottoman attacks.
There's a lot of history here.
Yeah, like a lot of attempts by different countries to conquer the country. So yeah, it was really fascinating, and we had a good tour. We had a fun time just exploring the city, and this park, the Central Park, is just beautiful.
It is.
But we're feeling a bit tired now, so I'm going to head back to the van and probably have an early night. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Thank you so much.